Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy Solana meme coins on Jupiter wallet. So once you are on Jupiter, you want to go ahead and connect a wallet. Click on it. From here you will be able to choose either Sol Layer, MetaMask, Phantom, and so on and so forth. So we can go ahead and choose, for example, MetaMask. Now, once you have connected, as you can see, there is a MetaMask on Solana network. Make sure you have Solana on your MetaMask wallet or on any other wallet you use. If you have Solana already, just go ahead here and click switch on the swap section. Now you will pay Solana and you want to receive that meme coin. So let's, for example, for today, choose with, and you're going to enter the amount of Solana. And that's how much you will get. And that's basically it. That's how you buy meme coins of Solana on Jupiter. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.